The 10 most expensive vehicles made in America, 2026. Despite shifts in the automotive industry, several high-end vehicles are still manufactured within the United States, both by domestic and foreign brands. This list ranks the priciest of these, from luxury SUVs to high-performance supercars, all commanding six-figure price tags. The concentration of expensive cars assembled domestically raises questions about market trends, luxury demand, and the role of American manufacturing in a globalized industry. Luxury SUVs and performance hybrids. Many of the most expensive American-made vehicles are luxury SUVs from German brands like BMW and Mercedes-Benz, assembled in states like South Carolina and Alabama. These models often prioritize comfort and branding over pure performance, with prices driven by prestige rather than groundbreaking engineering. The BMW X6M Competition, $135,775, and Mercedes-AMG GLS 63, $152,300, exemplify this trend, offering powerful engines and upscale interiors, but competing with mechanically similar, less expensive variants. The BMW Alpina XB7, $157,175, further pushes this concept, being the most luxurious version of the X7 SUV. While it boasts a refined engine and premium features, its cost is largely inflated by exclusivity and branding. Similarly, the BMW XM label, $160,775, a controversial yet expensive model, stands out for its aggressive styling and hybrid performance. Despite being BMW's worst-selling vehicle in 2024, it remains a high-priced option due to its unique positioning as a halo product. American muscle and electric innovation. American automakers also contribute to the high-end market, albeit with different approaches. The Cadillac Escalade V, $170,595, represents traditional American luxury, packing a supercharged V8 engine and imposing presence. This vehicle stands out as one of the most powerful gas-powered SUVs made in the US, competing with European rivals on performance alone. The Mercedes-Maybach GLS 600, $181,250, offers the ultimate luxury experience, with a focus on comfort and exclusivity. Its high price tag is justified by its premium features, opulent interior, and the prestige of the Maybach brand. Supercars and hypercars, the real outliers in this list, are the Chevrolet Corvette models. The Chevrolet Corvette ZR1, $185,395, pushes the boundaries of American performance, offering over 1,000 horsepower and track-ready capabilities. Its performance metrics rival those of European supercars, making it a surprisingly competitive option in the high-end market. The Chevrolet Corvette ZR1X, $207,395, takes this even further, combining the ZR1's engine with an all-wheel drive hybrid system for unparalleled acceleration and lap times. Its sub-2-second 0-60 mph time and Nürburgring record place it firmly in hypercar territory, despite its relatively affordable price compared to other high-performance vehicles. The ultra-luxury segment, the Lucid Air Sapphire, $250,500, represents the future of American luxury, offering over 1,200 horsepower and extreme acceleration in an all-electric package. Its performance and range make it a compelling alternative to traditional gas-powered supercars. Finally, the Cadillac Celestiq, $400,000+, stands alone as the most expensive vehicle made in America. This ultra-luxury electric sedan is hand-built in limited quantities, competing directly with Rolls-Royce and Bentley. Its exclusivity and bespoke features justify its exorbitant price, making it a status symbol for the ultra-wealthy. In conclusion, the most expensive vehicles made in America span a wide range of segments, from luxury SUVs to high-performance supercars. This market reflects both domestic manufacturing capabilities and global luxury demand, with brands like Cadillac, Chevrolet, BMW, Mercedes-Benz, and Lucid Motors all vying for a slice of the high-end pie.